What's up guys, Vincent is here. On today's video I'm going to talk about S1, S2, S3 and also assign 1, assign 2 bottom on your Roland Fantom. Moreover, I'm going to show you how you can assign different functions to your foot switch pedal so you can control different parameters with your Roland, especially when you're doing live music. But before I start, I would like to ask you to support my channel with like and subscribe. That will be a great help for me. Okay, let's start it. Initially, when you turn on your Roland S3 bottom, assign to control turn on, turn off your reverb for each sound. For example, right now I am on the second zone. I have this sound. And once I turn off S3, there will be no reverb. So you see the differences right now. Now, if you want to know where S3 got this reverb and where you can adjust the amount of reverb, just press menu, go to effect, edit, and here go to edit, and here you can adjust the amount of reverb for each sound. Let's move back and I will show you how S3 got this function. Hold shift and press S3 and you'll be on this page, and as you can see, S3 assigned to reverb for me. On the other line, you can go for two options. Just press enter. You can go for momentary or latch. Let's try momentary and see how it works. Right now, I will get reverb as long as I hold S3. And once I release S3, there will be no reverb. So this is how it works. I prefer to stay on latch. So as long as I turn on S3, I have my reverb. Now let's have a look to S3 different functions. So I will go to other line again. I'll press enter and I will get this list of functions. And so you can go for a lot of parameters here. Let's try modulations and press OK and see how would be the difference. I will turn on S3 and now it's time to play. Turn it off. This is how it works, guys. So press enter and you can try other parameters. So let's try go back to reverb again and stay on reverb for S3. It will be the same for S1 and S2. Just hold shift, press S1 or S2 and you will be on this page and you can change the functions for them. And it's going to be the same for the wheels also. You can hold shift and move the wheels and you can adjust different functions for them. Okay, let's move back here and have a look to assign bottoms. I will turn on assign 1 and right now we are able to assign different functions to all these knobs and all these faders. Let's try go and put a piano sound on the second zone to have a better understanding from the sound. Okay. Right now I'm in assign 1 and I would like to control the amount of reverb with this slider. Okay. I hold shift, I move this slider, and as you can see, slider 2 assign selected. I press enter and I will be on this list. Let's move and go for reverb function. Yep, it's here. So press OK. Now I can adjust the amount of reverb with this slider. Now it's so easy. I can turn off or turn on the reverb, and also I can adjust the amount of reverb for myself. Okay, that's cool. Let's do something else. For example, let's try to assign chorus to this knob. Hold shift and move this knob and you'll be here. Knob 2 assign selected. So I press enter and you'll be on this list. Let's move for different functions. Let's try, for example, chorus. Yeah, for chorus. Press OK. Now you can increase the amount of chorus with this knob. Okay, let's move it up and decrease the amount of reverb. You see, it's a kind of delay chorus. The reason why is if you go to menu, effect, edit, and edit, you will see my chorus assigned to pan delay. That's why it's a kind of delay chorus. And now I can increase the amount of reverb for it or decrease the amount of chorus. So it's so accessible, so you can control your turn on, turn off your reverb, adjust the amount of it, or adjust the amount of chorus for your piano sound. Moreover, you can go to assign to and assign different functions to these knobs and faders, sliders. Let's try, for example, hold shift and move the slider again, and I'll be in this page. And let's try something else. Let's go for example, resonance. Okay, press OK and increase the amount of resonance. We are on assign 2 right now. Decrease it. So you see, on assign 2, let's move back to assign 1 again. Here I can adjust the amount of reverb and chorus for myself. So this is how it works. So you can control the variety of parameters at the same time in one single sound. Now it's time to have a look to foot switch pedal. It's gonna be the same logic for this device too. Let's have a look to my Roland Fantom back here. As long as you connect your foot switch pedal to hold, it just control the hold for your sound. But right now I would like to go for other functions. So I remove this and I will go for control 2. Hopefully on Roland we have control 1, control 2, control 3. So you can have 3 different switch pedal control pedals at the same time. So let's go back to the Roland again and have fun with switch pedal. Okay. And now it's time to do something with it. Just hold shift and squeeze your foot switch pedal. You'll be on this page, and as you can see, pedal 2 assigned selected because I connect this foot switch pedal to control 2 on the back of Fantom. So I press enter and I'll be on this list, and you can go for different functions for yourself. Let's move down and try something. For example, start to stop. Right now, my foot switch pedal will function as a stop and play buttons for me. Let's try it. So you see, we can control play and stop. Okay, this is how it works. Let's have more fun and go for something else. Okay, assign 1 and press enter. Let's go. As you can see here, we can again control the amount of reverb with your foot switch pedal, the tempo also. You can also again go for hold, and also we can control the amount of modulations and volume, balance, and everything. So you can do a lot of things and make your own setup on your Roland when you're doing live playing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me any comments if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. Take care and have a good one. Bye.